Well, Be Pro, Be Proud. I'm very excited that they're here with their trucking simulation of skills throughout the state of South Carolina, and just emphasize how proud folks can be for having a skill. And South Carolina has numerous job opportunities in the field of technology and skills, and that's a resource that we're lacking right now. And once you really think about it, most of the jobs now are in the technical field, which is going to require people to actually have a skill. And so the few students that I've talked to that have just left the truck are very excited, and also the teachers as well. So we're very happy that they're here today, and I think it's going to greatly benefit our students.
This is one of the most incredible things I've seen. The only other thing I've ever seen that's like this, the U.S. military had. There's VR headsets everywhere. There's simulations for everyone to work on. There's an excavator simulation. There's a welding simulation. There's a heavy equipment simulation with forklifts that has other implements that you can do as well. And then there's also a truck driving station as well. So it's very state-of-the-art. It's very interesting. I've never seen anything that's nice, really.
I think it's great. I think it's like a really good experience that we have here today. I've definitely learned a lot, and I think a lot of other students have learned quite a decent amount with how many simulators and different questions and all of that kind of stuff right now. But it's definitely a good thing. I do like it.
Well, our main goal is we travel all over the state. We go to middle schools, high schools, community colleges, career centers, and our main goal is to show young kids from 8th grade all the way up to 12th grade what's available in the state of South Carolina for them in the technical careers. That includes welding, electrician, HVAC. We want to kind of show the kids what's out there for them, some different options they can take, because college may not be for them, military might not be a path they want to choose. So we're showing them these are your options if you don't want to go four-year school. And also, you can go to the four-year schools if you want to and still do these careers. And we're just trying to show them that they keep a good grade point average. There's so many scholarships available, apprenticeships available, that they can go to school for free. They don't have to have student debt. They can go for less than 2 years or a year at sometimes, and they could be making money $25, $30 an hour at 19 years old. No student debt. They're already in the workforce, and they've got a career path. Because our big thing is with us is we know when they graduate, we want them to have options, to have it doesn't have to be a cemented plan, but we would love for them to say, well, I've got my plan A, I've got a plan B. This, I kind of like, I might be interested in welding. Electrician sounds good to me. And we're giving them the tools to achieve that. Who to talk to. The companies that are out there hiring for these people, we give them the options, show them on our website, which is beproudSC.org. That is where it's a one shop for everything. It's where they can find the training. It's where they can find the jobs, scholarships. It's all there for them. And these companies, they want to talk to them because the workforce is getting older. Everybody's retiring. And South Carolina needs these kids to step up and take these jobs. And that's our main goal.